In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use recurring tasks in ClickUp. Recurring tasks are a powerful feature that can greatly enhance your productivity by automating repetitive work. Whether you have daily meetings, weekly reports, or monthly invoices to manage, setting up recurring tasks can help you keep everything organized without manual tracking. To start using recurring tasks in ClickUp, you'll first need to open up an existing task. Once you have the task open, navigate to the Dates field. This is where you'll find all the date-related settings for your task. At the bottom of this date modal, you'll see an option labeled Set Recurring. Go ahead and click on that to access the recurrence settings. Once you've clicked Set Recurring, you have several options to configure how often you want your task to repeat. You can choose from preset intervals like daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on your needs. If those don't fit your schedule, you can also set it to recur a specific number of days after completion, or even create a custom schedule that suits you perfectly. Next, you'll want to decide exactly when your task should reappear in your workflow. You have a few triggers to choose from here. You can set it to recur automatically when a task is marked as complete, when it's done, or on a specific schedule, which is a more recent addition. Choose the option that aligns best with how you manage your tasks. There are also some optional settings you can tweak for even more control. If you're scheduling tasks over the weekend when you might not be working, there's an option to skip weekends altogether. Now, depending on whether you want a brand new task created for each recurrence or prefer to reuse the existing one, you can decide that here as well. Furthermore, if your task contains additional components like subtasks, attachments, comments, or even custom fields, you can choose to include these in your recurring setup. This is particularly useful if you need to carry over specific details from one instance of the task to the next. You also have control over how long this recurrence will last. You can opt to have it recur indefinitely, set a limited number of occurrences, or even choose to end it on a specific date. This flexibility allows you to align with any project timeline or personal workflow. Before you wrap up, there's one last thing to consider: the task's status when it recurs. With ClickUp, you can choose what the status should update to for the new task when it populates. This can help ensure the recurring task slots seamlessly into your existing workflow. Once you've fine-tuned all these settings to your liking, simply click Save to activate the recurrence. And just like that, your task is now set to recur at your preferred intervals without any further manual input from you. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and empowers you to streamline your workflow using recurring tasks in ClickUp. Until next time,